Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Whatever you want to call me. And today video is going to be slightly different. I don't know if anyone did it, but it's going to be a different video. And sorry about the window. It's very dark outside. It looks like it's going to rain, but hasn't all day. I thought I would hurry up and do this for you guys. Do another video for you guys. And I'm going to be unboxing my perfume, Victoria's Secret, from Amazon. I know. Just want to see how it's different from Amazon to the store, see what's different. And I only had Victoria's Secret perfume like once or twice. But it's like this in a package like this. It's so weird. But we're going to open it up. Like, it's so weird. Like, I'm trying to open it, but it's so hard. Just for a perfume bottle. It has to be like this. It's so weird. I'm going to be going to the beach this weekend, so this might be perfect. It's kind of hard to open. It's like this. What? Why is there a sticker? Ooh, it smells so fruity. It was like 12 something or anything, but oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna be so addicted to this perfume now. My new fave. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. I don't want to use it all. I'm like going nowhere. But yeah, it's Victoria's Secret Pure Suit Addiction or something like that. It looks like that. But it looks like that. Smells so fruity. Smells so good. And I had juice plum crushed freezer all night long. Smells so good. Yeah, it also just a short video. I don't know, it's something to film. I thought I could do it for you guys. But if you guys have any video requests, put them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check them out and sure to see. Other than that, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and be sure to give us a big thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Deuces. Have a wonderful day.